See, it is almost before 11 years.
That's right.
The Italian Technology Center was formed, and the person who made that happen, critical, was Sandeep Chadha. And I am very happy because he is the host. And last time I was there at their 10th anniversary, which happened in Delhi, Gurgaon, right?
That's right.
And exactly after 1 year they came. They are in Pune. We are having the 11th edition of this annual conference. So you made something happen, which now I heard they are started in Vietnam. The
Exactly.
Indian model is now taken in Vietnam, and now they are going to Mexico. So on this, how do you feel?
I think after 19 years with ICE, with the Italian Trade Commission, my experience in promoting Italian companies in India was very helpful in doing this experiment. I would call it experiment because it was first of its kind. But of course, it was not possible without UCIMU and the supporting associations like AMAPLAST, who also gave the message to the industry that we have something beyond a trade promotion office and beyond an association, which means it became the first point of reference for the industry on both ends, which was Italian side as well as Indian side. So we were not here to compete in business with the agents. We were not here to compete in terms of getting a better offers commercially, but we were pitching in the right manner. And it apparently turned out to be one of the most success stories where we mean business, but we don't mean commercializing to the level that people will feel that it is overburdened on their commercial offers. So now when you told me about, and in fact I'm aware about Vietnam and Mexico, of course now we need to replicate, because if you are successful in one, there's no reason to leave on the other developing markets and other developing countries specific to the Italian machine tool industry. So I think it's a very welcome step, and I'm happy I'm the pioneer who took the support and the help of UCIMU. We succeeded in our experiment, and God willing it will go in other countries too.
You know that this year itself I was able to travel more than 5 times, especially in Germany, and then I was there in France, Czech Republic, Switzerland. One thing it bothered me was, I seen there is a kind of a system which is followed in many places, so that it is very easy to implement certain things. And in our country, so it troubled me that we were not able to follow a system which is accepted by everyone. Everyone here is having a entrepreneurship mindset, and I think that is something, Chadha sir, which I feel that eventually the starting of even ITC happened. Out of the way, you brought that entrepreneurial mindset with your experience and formed this. And I think that is something you feel proud about India?
Well, this is definitely quite a milestone in our approach to this market. There's no doubt about it. But when you say entrepreneurship, I think we have a wonderful example, which is a baby entrepreneurship born out of this project, was Losma. So it doesn't stop with the activity of basic promotion, identifying clients. Entrepreneurship came in form of Losma. So I think more and more Italian companies who would later on join here will also apparently look at entrepreneurship into India, where the market is growing now at a very amazing pace. Rapid pace. So I think some companies who are matured now to come to that level would take this as a platform to enter this market.
Yes. And you have created it, and I think these Italian companies, if you are able to see this, should embrace this change what some of the people with a large experience, if you see Dr. Chadha, which he told that he's having huge experience in the Italian trade agency.
Trade agency, yeah. ITA.
And also the kind of other activities you do in the business,
Yes.
So I think that is also the experience and exposure help you to establish ITs in India, right?
Yes, that's right. So what I would always like to stress on is, of course, Italy is one of the most historical commercial partners of India. They have a very brilliant level of technology for the Indian market, and the backbone is SMEs. So I think the small and medium enterprises take some extra time to enter into the market to invest, but when they come strong footing. As you heard our President Barbara Colombo saying that this is their generational business. Meal utensil Her mother is going to be 88 tomorrow. She started the company. So when it is family businesses, it takes time to invest. But when they come, they become a part of the family and the country. So I think that's something which is going to be what we see, or I would say which will be coming up front in the near future from Italian side.
I would like to tell you there are a lot of similarities between India and Italy, just not in the flags.
Yes.
Just not, we are having very similar flags, but the food and all those things. So it is lot of similarities, and when it comes to manufacturing, when it comes to business, there is a lot yet to be explored. Friends, please get in touch with ITC, get in touch with Dr. Chadha, and I am sure that you will be able to get a proper roadmap how you need to do business in India for the Italian companies. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And I compliment Machine Maker. I'm one of the very regular follower of your YouTube channel, your LinkedIn, because I find quality material to read, and it really makes, in pure sense, a business sense for the industry. But at the same time, you also promote the industry. So you're doing two roles, which are very crucial.
And your words, these words, keep us going, that we are doing the right thing. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.